Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about OG tags, how to use OG tags in your website, and why we use these OG tags. Basically, the OG tags are very useful when you want to share URL of your website on social media sites like Facebook. So without OG tags, the URL will look like as a URL. It will not fetch data of the URL, the website URL. So it is used to engage more and more users and generate more traffic. So let's say I have this post here, if I copy this and paste it in a social media like Facebook, then it will look like as a link. But with the OG tags, you can see the OG tags will fetch the heading of this page, the image, and also the description here. So the OG tags are used for getting more and more traffic through social media sites, because when you copy this link and paste in social media, then it will look like a link without OG tags. So let's see how we can use OG tags in your website. Basically, the OG tags are used in head section of your HTML uh, head section of your HTML document. So we are going to write some meta tags here. The first tag is meta, and then property OG colon and URL. Then we have to set content of the URL. For that I will use content, and then your URL of this content. I will use it later. First of all, I will use these all tags that are used for this OG tags. Another is meta, and then property OG colon type, and then we have to set content of this. I will use this attribute later. First of all, I will complete these tags. And then content is equal to this. These OG tags are very useful for getting more and more traffic on your website on social media. Another Finally, the last one is image. OG colon then image. Content is equal to this. So these are the all meta tags or OG tags that are used for generating more and more traffic through social media. These are the basic and necessary tags, that is URL, type, title, description, and image. There are other more tags, but these are the basic tags. Now we need to set the URL, type, title, and description. And the website, my website is dynamic, so it's not static. So I need to fetch data from database using PHP script. So if you look at top of this, here you can see I have used the PHP script here, where I am executing this SQL query. Select all from post where select like this URL or category like this, and limit 1. Now this db1 result is executing the query, and this is the result, returning the result basically. So I am here checking. Let me show you the database here. You can see here the post is here table, and it has ID date time, post title, category, author, image, post description, and many other things like slug and views. So after executing this query, it will give me an array of objects. Now I am using two for each loop. You can see one here and one here to iterate over the object and assign each value to the this array arr of I. So arr 0 will contain this id, and arr 1 will contain this date time, and arr 2 post title. So similarly, all these data will be assigned to this array. Now we can see here we can use, and in place of this URL we can you open the PHP scope here. Here so you can see here I have used the PHP script here, and this script is echoing the website URL, and then it is concatenating with arr of 7. If you look at arr 7 here, this arr 7 contains 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you can see here 7. This 7 contains the title, that is slug, that is used in links, website links. So I am concatenating here this slug with this website here. So this will give me the complete URL of this page, the complete URL that is seen here in this. Now the another is OG type, and in this case you can simply write article, because this is an article, or you can use simply website here. Another OG tag is this OG title, and for that I have to use the content here. You can see the here title is Instagram plans to send two-factor authentication codes via WhatsApp Messenger, and for that you can see here this post title is at 0102 at second place. So for that I will use the PHP script. So you can see here I have opened PHP script and echoing the arr2, because arr2 contains post title, and then you can see I have used a dot to concatenate this title with a string, that is the name of my website, the Kashmir Info. So I will show you how it will look after saving this. Now let us move to property, another property, that is description, and for that you can see description here. This is the description, so you can use the same PHP scope to get a description. Echo arr6. This arr6 contains description of the post. Look at this, this is at 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th place. You can see post description here. Now last one is image. So last one, this is for image, and for that I have used the PHP script again, and you can see here this admin CMS uploads. These are the folder in which the image is located, and you can see this is concatenated with arr5. arr5 contains the title of the image, and basically the title is saved in a database. Let's see, 0 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see here at 5th, this is the image name, and here you can see this is the image path. So this is how we can dynamically set OG tags of a Facebook. That's OG means open graph tags in your website. So you can see what is the logic, and you can see how it is implemented in your website. In my case I have used PHP and MySQL for open graph tags. Let me save this. So finally this is saved, and now let us copy this link and go to social media, Facebook. Sometimes it may take some time, at when you do this ads in the production, that's in the server, it may take some time. So you should wait for some 1 or 2 hours if it does not work. So it takes some time. Let us copy this link here. Okay, you can see this has given me the correct image, that is image of the this post image, Instagram. And then you can see this is the website and this is the post title. So if you see here, I have used this concatenation here. You can see I previously used the concatenation but the Kashmir info. But if you look at the title of this post, you can see it has no the Kashmir info. So I have used the OG tag to concatenate the title with your website name. If you copy the link and paste it here without this OG tags, or that's open graph tags, then it will give you random images or random title, sometimes without any image or title. So this will look like as a link without this. It will look like this without OG tags. So these OG tags are very important, and you can see every website implements this to gain more and more traffic. So this was how we can use OG tags in your website. Thank you.